What's up, everybody? It's Danny back here again at Excellent Sound with Parker Ament. I fucked up.
Yes.
It's Danny and Parker here at Excellent Sound. Coming in with some smooth babe jazz. People in the back, say what up. Becca. Guys, we found Becca. Back from a Coachella. Found her in a bush. And Raul. Like it. Raul. Dab for the people. Raul. We're here, guys. And we're going to be making this Diplo hit. I fucked up. Sounds like this. I do this move. I wish so bad we could play the fucking vocal chops, but we can't. But guys, we're here. We're going to be giving you guys this preset away for free 99.
We know you guys want this preset.
We know you want it. And I'm wearing my fucking my BＡSS hat.
Look at that shit.
Okay? I'm wearing
fucking
it
BASS.
for you, Uncle Diplo, because you're from Florida, and I'm sure you do some bass fishing. Right?
Is there bass in Florida? Yes, there definitely
gators
is.
And shit. Listen, guys, if you don't fucking like Diplo, get out of my fucking face.
Get out of this video. Get out of this video.
Get out of my fucking face. What we want? Are you footsing me?
No, I'm
trying
I'm trying to move this way.
Okay.
No.
All right. So anyway, we worked really hard, and actually, I got to give credit where credit is due. Actually, Raul gets a lot of credit for this remake, guys. That's right, babe. And because Raul worked so hard on this, we all worked on it together. I'm not going to give you all the credit, Raul. So so just hold your fucking horses. We all worked really hard on this remake, so we're gonna go through all of the assets. But Raul took this thing, and I think this is one of our best remakes yet. I'm really proud of it. And if you guys think so, which hopefully you do, and if you don't, get out of my face again. What we want to do right now is we got an army, 7,000 people, army.
Excellent army.
We're starting a fucking union, dude, and a cult, dude. I'm gonna turn my hat backwards, dude.
Excellent cult,
dude. Oh fuck, Ronnie's here, dude. Yeah, all right, guys, listen. Let's do something. Let's do an experiment. Everybody tweet at Diplo.
Yes.
Say, yo, at Diplo, you are the most handsomest guy in EDM, and you should check out this remake.
Oh yes.
Tell him he's handsome, because god damn it, he's handsome.
Gotta give him some compliments.
He's like the Harrison Ford of EDM.
Oh my! That's it.
Yes,
he's the fucking Harrison Ford.
Yes, you could tweet Diplo hashtag Harrison Ford of EDM.
Yes.
Check out XLNT Sounds remake of Get It Right.
Oh yeah.
And don't strike them for copyright.
Let's play it again. Play it again.
I wish I knew the Diplo dance. Seriously though, I don't want to fucking be on his dick too hard, but
yeah, no.
Diplo Dick Rider. Diplo's the fucking man. And if you don't already know, now you know.
Yep.
And if you don't agree, again, get the fuck out of my face.
Get out of there.
Get out. All right, so enough Diplo Dick Rider.
Now that we got that out of the way.
We're the hashtag Diplo Dick Riders. That's also you could also hashtag that. All right. Oh, I have the vocal chop here, which I tried. Okay, so I tried really hard to get the acapella. We could not find it anywhere. Diplo, Uncle Diplo, send it to us at XLNT Sound. Send it to us.
Gift, you know?
We could do the remake, right? That'd be really tight. But
I think we did get it right, though.
I
think we did get it right.
You son of a bitch. You're a son of a bitch.
Did you hear that?
Sorry,
you hear that?
Yeah. So not a bitch. Terrible. Diplo Dick Rider. We did get it right.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we're going to be showing you guys how to make these chords right here. I fucking love this song.
Dude,
and also,
so catchy.
Check out Diplo's got a new EP out called California. It's fucking amazing.
Super dope. Great artwork.
The artwork's so sick, dude.
He's got like all the SoundCloud rappers vibing on that shit.
It's got Lil Xan.
Don't say SoundCloud rappers, though.
Why don't like that?
They get insulted by that, you know. They want to be called
I think
SoundCloud
that's cool.
rappers minus SoundCloud. I think it's cool too.
All right, whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, so chords. Let's go through some of the elements of this drop, guys, so you know. And this drop's got some great percussion. Diplo always has great percussion. He's always got great chords and writing. So we got the kick, which will be available in Signature Series Volume 4 in a future pack, which we will announce soon. Sounds like this. I'm going to solo the drums.
Yeah.
This is Raul. I can't take credit for. Well, actually, I did help a little bit on the snare, but Raul did most of this shit. Sounds so sick. And with the 808. Yeah. You know we're gonna have that 808 in Signature Series Part 2.
That sounds fucking dope.
It's Part 4. I mean, the snare. I love the snare. Great snare. Good choice, Diplo. Even though we made it. And then this snare verb. Ooh.
Oh, that's a beautiful
was that Nightmare
snare
Reverb? I don't know, dude.
Oh, it could be.
Nice little crash. Handsome crash. Very nice. So we got a crash on handsome crash. Everything's handsome in this video, dude. This jacket's getting hot. I'm doing Diplo, Harrison Ford to EDM.
Take that jacket off, Danny.
Hashtag Harrison Ford to EDM.
Sweating for Diplo.
Gets me all hot and bothered, dude. Okay, crash. Hi-hat. Doing a basic on the 1 or whatever, and the crash on the whatever. What do you call that? The 8-bar. Oh, timbales. Diplo loves timbales,
He loves
guys.
those timbales.
A little bit of this. It's got a lot of reverb. You can kind of hear it. And then this fat tom, which we're using from Future Bass, people. And if you guys like this song, I'm sure you'll like our pack, Future Bass. It's out now. Go get it.
It's out, guys.
Yeah.
What is it? Like 3 weeks old?
3 weeks old?
3 weeks
3,
old,
4
guys.
weeks, just a young pup. Go get it. Beautiful fat
that shit in your
bass
songs.
fish. Diplo.
Make some records.
I'll send it to you, bro. Don't you worry about it. We're buds.
Oh, yeah.
Future Bass. There it is. A fucking bass from the future with machine guns. It's got a bunch of presets. Go get it. It's got samples. It's the best thing on the market.
Super fucking awesome.
You're fucking repping myself and Diplo hard. Okay, so we got the tom, and then the last elements, we got some shakers. Ooh, that's real nice. And all together, it sounds like this, folks. Hey! Oh, yeah, and the hey! Pretty sick. All right.
Some Zelda hey.
Pretty simple sound.
Nabby.
The best sounds are always simple. So I'm going to go ahead and make a new MIDI track, Shift Command T. And I'm going to hold Option and drag it down like so. This would be our new chords. Let's go ahead and pull up a Serum. Fuck, it's hot in here, dude.
Dude, it feels good. There's some breeze.
Great,
There's a little bit of breeze
Give me
over
some
here.
breeze, dude. It's
Look at
breezy.
that. Here it is.
Give it to me,
Maybe
bro.
somewhere.
If you guys didn't know, this studio is actually a convertible studio. We have no top on at all.
Yeah, we got the top down.
Top
down.
That'd be
over
tight.
here.
Next studio we make, we're going to have a sunroof, dude.
Top down studios.
Yeah, top down studios. Okay, so we're going to start this bad boy off with a saw wave. It's going to sound like this. Sounds like some early 2000s electro.
Yeah, dude. That shit was awesome. Or some like Wave Racer.
Wave Racer? What happened to him, dude? He's still out there.
Yeah, he's still out there. Hopefully.
Okay. Oscillator A, we're going to leave it basic, and we're going to set it to 15 waves of unison. Like so. Just like that. Detune, we're going to turn it down to 0.15. Oh, I'm getting my accent back. What the hell's going on? I'm from Florida. Florida. Some Florida people have accents.
Really?
Yeah. They're from the South, you know? Blend is at 75s? Always? 75s
yeah,
for the blends?
blend is definitely a 7.
Thanks, bud. Phase, same. Random, all the way up. Turn that level all the way down, guys. Let's get rid of that level.
Down.
You know what? Let's go ahead and take this little LFO, and we're going to make a little BMX jump. That's what we're going to call it.
Yeah, that's a nice BMX jump.
It's a nice
right
BMX.
there.
Just a little bit of this.
Just bend that thing. Yeah,
And
there
just
you
like
go.
that. Oh, look at that jump. Just like so. Or a really pointy titty for Diplo.
Yeah, just send it.
And then next thing we're going to do is we're going to put this on level 1, like that. Set it to a trigger, and set it to 8th notes, like so. Should be sounding like this. It's almost already there, dude. This sound is so simple, but it sounds so good. Like,
Yeah,
this is
so
how
clean.
sick. You guys can just do a simple fucking sound like this. And it's just there. It's always going to sound like great.
Yeah.
You know, like it doesn't take a lot. We're not there yet, though, so I'm going to keep going. Low 18. MG low 12. MG low 18 is what we're looking for. Like that. Cut off. Set that bad boy to... No, where's it at, Parker? 68 hertz. 6/8.
Or
6/8.
6/7.
Or 6/9. 6/9, bro.
Uh-oh. There it is.
Don't say his name, bro.
Nope.
Make sure you check in, bro. Come to Hollywood. Check in with me, bro. Just kidding, 6'9". Please don't kill me. I'm gonna fucking die, dude. Okay, LFO1. Throw it onto that bad boy and have it go up to 64. Just like that. And I think that's, oh yeah, make it fat, dude. Turn that fat all the way up. Turn the drive up too, dude. What do we turn the drive to? 14. Fuck it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Do I have this thing right? Oh no, I need to move this over.
You gotta, which one?
I'm gonna move this over to like,
oh, yeah, just a little bit more.
what is it on the O?
Yeah.
Put it on the O. It's got a little bit of, oh no, this is a straight line.
Yeah, that's pretty straight.
Straight, and then this guy, yeah, this is right. Okay,
Yeah,
good.
looks good.
I'm gonna get it right, dude.
Good, get it right.
Turn the smooth up. Turn the smooth up. Smooth 98.50, 51.8 jazz.
51.8
Jazz. Jazzercise?
No, jazz like FM.
Oh, Jazz FM. Oh, okay. I'm really liking that. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's move on. Let's go into the effects.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Oh yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, this is gonna.
right
Here
into
we
this
go.
bitch
Let's
right
get it right. Hyperdimension. We're gonna start off with a little bit of hyperdimension, folks. We'll turn the rate down to 29%. There we go.
There it is.
Detune. We're gonna turn that to 2.5. That looks good. Now I'm changing max again. Turn on retrigger. Retrigger. Okay, let's talk about retrig. Nug and nodge. Get your pipes out. Let's smoke some nugs and nodge. Okay.
Put some nodge in your pipes.
Retrig is resetting the waves of unison every time. So every time your note hits, it's resetting those waves of unison from the start. And if I'm wrong, then fucking tell me in the comments below.
Or Diplo.
Come
Tell
at me.
us.
Diplo.
Tell us, dude.
Diplo probably doesn't know. He just turns knobs, dude.
Yeah, that's
Most of the best people don't even fucking know what they're doing.
They just use their ears.
Yeah, exactly. Use your fucking ears, bro. I got mad. I got mad there. I'm
Use
sorry.
your goddamn ears, all right?
Turn the mix. Was the mix all the way down?
Threes.
Threes. Turn it down to threes. Tres. All right. Size all the way down.
All the way.
All the way. Mix all the way up.
All the way up.
Oh, we gotta turn that master. Oh no, maybe
No,
down
no.
a little bit. Okay. Put it down. God, such great timbales.
So awesome.
Okay, next we're gonna add some distortion. Drive at, we're gonna leave it on tube. 65, 6.5s. 6.5s. And then the mix at 82% is what we're looking for. Let's get it right. God, it's never gonna get old.
Get it right.
Okay. Next, we're gonna get some phase. Let's get some phase. Phaser. Rate. Where's the rate at, Parker? 0.8. Rhymed it. Depth, 50. Frequency, 50. Feedback, 80. Phase, 180. Mix. Mix down to 21. Let's bring that guy down. Nice and tight. Oh. Is my distortion too much?
It might be.
I think it... Wait. Oh, wait. I think I know why. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. Let's keep going. Next, we're going to do a compressor. Compressor is going to be, threshold is going to be all the way. I'm sorry, at halfway. Ratio is going to be here at 4/1. Attack is at 90 milliseconds. So yeah, this is all stock. And turn the gain up to 1.3. And dry wet's all the way up. Next, we're going to get some reverb. So get some reverb going here, folks. Turn the reverb up to 20% for the mix. Spin that. Is this all stock? No.
No.
So the only thing you're going to turn is you're going to turn the size down to 18. Did I get that? Did I get that correct?
Yeah.
2.9
Yes,
for
you did, bud.
the decay. And that's pretty much it. Oh, okay. Next, we're going to do some EQ. I saw you moving that EQ. Nice try, Parker. EQ, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do a low cut like this. And then we're going to turn the Q down. Turn the Q down to like 36.
Yeah.
36. Awesome. Frequency is good. Gain is good. And then we're going to boost some highs. Where's that frequency at? 5948. 5948. Come on. 5948. That works. 5996. Okay. Gain at just a little bump. 1.1. And then we got the Q at, the Q's good, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Cool. Can you go back to the first page? Let's make sure we got everything right. See what I did there? Detune's good. Random's good. Phase is good. That's good.
Looks good.
It looks legit, right?
Yeah.
Did I get it? Damn it. This is all the same, right?
Yeah,
I
that
almost
looks
did
great.
it again. Okay, cool. All right, now let's get into some post-processing, guys.
Posting.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and drag this over and just explain what's going on here. So I got a little bit of OTT, right? Highs pulled up, just the highs, a little bit of mids, and set to around 56%. And then I also have more highs pulled out of this EQ right here, just around there, just boosting more highs. Should be sounding like
nice.
this. Ooh. Uh-huh. And then also, too, you can really fuck with this sound and turn this, like, cutoff down here more. Uh-huh. Okay. I fucking love this song. God damn.
Yeah, dude. It's so catchy.
And that's how you guys fucking do it. That's how we got it right. Did you get it right? Did you get it right?
First try?
Diplo got it right.
Yeah,
Diplo gets it right all the time, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Mad fucking hits. Guys, don't forget, tweet at, is it at Diplo?
Yeah, I think it's got to be at Diplo.
Fuck, I'm going to check it. Talk
Yeah.
about something, Parker, while I check that. I got to make sure.
Well, guys.
Oh, no.
Well.
Put you on the spot, bro.
Well, here we go.
Here we go.
No, dude, what we're really doing, we got some really cool stuff going on. So we're starting a Facebook group.
Yep.
So we're going to be sending invites to all you guys that follow us on Facebook. Really cool stuff. We're going to be doing exclusive Facebook material, free packs. We're going to be giving away free Serum presets.
Yep.
And the cool thing about the group is you guys are going to get first access to all of the YouTube stuff that we're going to be doing. So
Starting a
maybe
group.
a day in advance, maybe in a week in advance, and you guys are going to get ready for the streams. So really cool stuff there. Also, we're trying to grow our Instagram. So go on Instagram, give us a follow. We're going to give you guys a follow back as well.
Follow for follow, bro.
Follow for follow.
Let's fucking do this,
Let's
dude.
fucking get this excellent army up.
Get this excellent army out and make sure you guys twit. It is twit. It's at Diplo, and we are at XLNT Sound. Obviously,
Yes.
you know our YouTube. Fucking send them the video, dude.
Say some cool shit, you know.
Yeah.
Tweet at them.
Be tight, bro. All
I
right,
think it's cool.
let's play this babe and let's get out of here, huh?
Yeah, let's play this babe out.
We'll see you guys next time. Make sure you check out our website and check out our packs. We got tons there and tons of free downloads at
All over,
www.xlntsound.com. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Oh, I feel sad right now.